It's terrible.
Damn it.
Throw those keys. Hello, everybody. It's old BLG. Welcome back to another episode. Hands on BLG. I'm Righty. That's the rooster. I'm Lefty. That's the mama fumbling, trying to lock the door. All that corn I planted. Well, I got that one and that one doing good, and there's a little bitty one trying to come up right there. There's got to be, I would guess, upwards of 50 different seeds, 50 corn seeds in there. But this is so far, by far, the thickest and most durable corn stalks that I've had so far. They're actually almost as tall as the ones I had last year that tried to make one little baby ear about like that. Anyways, we're making a road trip to the Wally world over in Pace. One of my subscribers wanted to see more road trips and drivings around and see if I panic or anything if the mama starts driving crazy. So that's what we're going to do. I still can't get in this fucking van for some reason. This fucking van. It sucks. It's a Chevy Voyager or whatever the fuck you call this thing. These things. I'll give you a review. It's a Chevrolet Venture. 2004 or something like that. Never buy one. You can't see out of this son of a bitch. If you're anywhere near 6 foot, 6'1", 6'2", 5'10", 5'9", here's what you're looking at when you're driving. This camera is right in front, straight view of my eyes. This is the goddamn vent. What do you call that thing? Visor.
Visor.
But this is what you're looking at if you're driving. You can't see shit. You pull up, see how far you have to. You have to do this and bend way down here like this to even try to see a light. You hunch over like some kind of crazy fucking vulture, which is my nickname, by the way. But but yeah, they're not good vans. The seats are very uncomfortable. Look at this, how low these armrests are. There's the armrest. It's down here. Your arm is up here if you're sitting comfortable. And I don't know if you can see that, but that's a good, I'd say 6 inches below where your arm should be. And that sucks monkey shit, because armrest is useless. Can't use it. The window's all the way down. I do not know where the hair tie is. I'm going to put a hair tie thingy in. Try to.
Did you bring your No.
It's in my pocket. I gotta be able to get a hold of my fluffy hair. Rain locker running around tapping commenced this morning. And my hair's all fluffy. Can't pull it all back. Fluffy hair everywhere. Fuck me. I know you're just kind of looking at an A-pillar. That's all you can do for right now. Trying to tie me hair back. Trying to tie back me hair. Tie me kangaroo down. Here we are. Yes, you do. Get the Windex. 6,000 down. Rent to 3/2, whatever the fuck that means.
Rent to own.
It says 3/2. Oh, is that a cat or nope? That's a little black puppy.
Little puppy.
He rules this side of the street. This little black puppy.
That's a little pug, I think.
Isn't he cute? He rules this side of the street. He says, "Hey, what's up? This is my neighborhood. I'm the boss." Hello, kind citizens. That's backwards. Driving along in an automobile. Piece of crap Chevy Venture that you don't need to buy. Don't buy one of these. It runs good. It gets decent mileage, but like I said, you can't see out of the motherfucker. Dangerous, in my opinion. She has no problem because she's only like 4'3". I have major problems because I'm like 9 feet tall. Hit this window a little bit here. And stuff. People sitting out on the porch in that double wide. They must have rented the damn thing out. Here comes the traffic. Here comes the traffic. Yep, that's traffic. I pull this back. There goes the guy with my trailer. I don't know whose car is on it. Bastard. They never bring them back either. the trailer. I keep buying trailers. People keep taking them. Never see them again.
Lies.
Haha, lies! All fucking lies. La 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 la. We're going down Dogwood to fucking 90. Again, not much traffic. All those motorhomes over there, mine. One goes bad, we just switch. That's another lie. This is going to be a lie episode. This whole episode is a lie. $30 enough for tires? That's a fat fucking lie. There ain't nobody sells tires that cheap.
It didn't say brand new. It just said $30 tire.
I don't care. I'm not selling a used tire for 30 bucks. Not even if I'm a scrapyard. 40 bucks. 40. Like I said, for the price of my paintings. 60 bucks, I'll probably ship one to you. Now, maybe even 40 if you're in America.
Yeah.
I'd ship one out. Brakes. Brakes. Yeah, like that. That's a big fucking truck.
Wow. Just pull on out there.
Why not? That's why you hit the brakes way back behind everybody. Well, this guy's got to shift a whole bunch of times now, remember. Keep your distance. Keep your distance. What the fuck are they digging? It's kind of weird. Maybe they're going to replant it or something? Instead of tilling it, they're just going to dig it. Dig it. I dig it.
You dig it?
Da 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 da, Santa Claus made. La la la. All the reindeers gained their names or something. Don't know. Don't know Christmas songs too good. There are no May songs. We're driving along and people are pulling up. Driving along and people are pulling up. Advanced Auto Parts. Those people in that one anyway are pretty cool. I used to go to O'Reilly's. There is an O'Reilly's down here on 90 if you turn left. But these guys over there, this last one back there, they've been pretty good to us. They redid the Winn-Dixie. You can see right there over the mama's head. It's all white and red now. And that's one of my trucks. The little Toyota sitting there. That's one of my little trucks. Never loaned it out to the guy. He never brought it back. I just said fuck it eventually. That's a fucking another lie. These guys, city workers. That's another fucking lie. These guys are Department of Corrections. You can't say stuff like that. You're allowed to have a fucking opinion on anything. Yep. If you're good people, you don't get in trouble like that. If you're bad people, you could end up back in jail. Yeah, just like everybody else, at least in our neighborhood for the most part. Everybody ends up back in jail right away. Yeah. At least within, whoa, shit. At least within 6 months. You're trying to run into the ass end of this truck.
Yeah, well, he's not moving very fast.
He's got to shift 18 times. He's probably got a load in that thing.
He's got a load of water.
Otherwise, he would have started it like in 8th gear, or no, 9th gear, and just rolled off quickly. He's doing lots of shifting, so he's got something in there. Holmes Plaza. What's up, Holmes? I think that's a dog with swimming mask. Yeah, he's getting ready to go swimming, I guess. There's the old farmer's market thing, bypass farmer's market. They got some good stuff. They're kind of pricey, but they got good stuff. We bought some stuff there. I've said that before already in a video. I think there's going to be quite a bit of editing on this.
Yeah.
Because there's not much happening. This lady's back hurts. Looks like me after going like flea marketing.
Yeah.
I walk crooked and sideways and lopsided. Because my back hurts. Because my back hurts. There's our bank. Right there. There. Oh shit. We got all kinds of brakes. That's that new El Paso Mexican Grill opened up not too awful long ago. I don't think they do very good. I never see anybody there anyway. Maybe a car or two. But maybe they're busier at night after old fat BLG goes to bed. In the evening times and stuff.
At supper time?
Yeah, well, you have to eat in bed. That's a rule. Everybody knows you eat in bed.
A lot of people eat like out.
No.
Restaurants.
That's for the rich people that don't know how to cook all the different dishes. We need to get a pizza one of these times right there. We need to get one of those, and I can try to learn how to unlock the secrets and make a Little Caesars copycat pizza. For 5 days. There's the people that built my retro tower right there. Built the computers back there. They're good people. Very good people to deal with. Da, 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 da. I'm still trying to get that fucking thing off there. Get off of the fucking... What is that? Something dangling from his boat. Shit. From his spider web. That's terrifying to look up and notice that that's there. 2 cars getting ready to merge on you. There's a little park. We went down there once. No puppies allowed even at that little park. Brakes.
What are they doing up there?
I don't know, but you bet to go on there. They got a bunch of boom trucks. They're
They do.
working on power lines, it looks like. Looks like they're just working on power lines. Got a bunch of crap covered up there. Maybe going to replace the transformers or something. Just some fun things to do. Look busy, get $36 an hour. One of them kind of deals. Oh, one of them kind of deals.
There's college. Tell Michaela. There's college.
Well, there's a branch, I think, of, I don't know. It might be the whole college.
Pensacola State College, it says.
Oh. Something of Florida. I don't know. Yeah, I guess. Might be like ICC. 2-year college or something, maybe. Actually, it's more than 2 years if you go to ICC. You get your 2 years in.
Degree.
And they don't give you the last 2 classes you need.
University of Florida.
University of Florida. 6 miles. 6 long miles to get to the Walmart. Oh boy. A true Southern experience, grilled tea. They sell Barks root beer. Because they got a big Barks sign. Pawn and Gun's always busy. Someday, guys, someday, I'll be in there for that triple barrel shotgun. And a fucking 500 revolver. Yep. Because I need them. I need them desperately. I have not enough firepower to protect our home. Couldn't read it. We're going 55 miles an hour in front of a cop.
We're going 45, and there's no cop.
That was a county sheriff car right there.
Well, we're only going 45, so...
Why is he whipping his lights on it? We need to turn here.
Made me look so
BLG is going to jail for real, folks. Not in a video game anymore.
We can only hope.
I'm going to try to get busted in fucking Grand Theft Auto 5 one of these days. Well, not try. I usually die before they get me, because if they get you, they take all your guns and ammo. And yes, I'm just at the beginning of that game. My computer, I just got, what's his name, Trevor unlocked. And I've had that game for 2 years now. That's because it took 2 years for the computer to get that far. Very choppy, slow. I will show you someday here soon. I'll just go out. I won't try to do mission stuff because it takes forever. It's all in slow motion. But I'll go out and just be stupid, steal cars and beat people down. I'll do that because that's fun. Yep, being the booger man, like to do that shit. Take turns doing stupid shit. See how long you can last with getting stars on you and stuff.
Around the corner.
I like the wrong way again.
Ooh, the
good
wrong
shot.
way
Good
again.
shot.
Well,
Playing chicken. She's going to try to kill us at the Walmart.
yes.
Oh God, oh God. Look at us. Oh shit, there's a lady there. Stick woman. Look at that. Skinny woman. Skinny woman. Walk away from me. Skinny woman. The ones that you can't see. Whoa, skinny woman. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, go there.
That was a great parking spot right there.
I'm not going. That's too far.
Following the train of shopping carts. Last time I talked to Mike Fugit, that's what he does. He does the
carts?
shopping cart things at Walmart and Pekin, I think. That's what he was doing then. Who knows what he's doing now? I don't know. I don't know. Getting out before it gets hot today. Oh shit, shit. See, Grand Cherokee, those are still good. Those ones are good. It's the little fuckers with the little weird taillights with the X's in them that are garbage. Absolute garbage. Because it's just a Fiat sitting on a fucking little Jeep frame. Everything else is junk Fiat. Fiats are garbage. Anyways, I guess we're here. Of course, we might run over somebody yet. This could get cool.
Wow. What is that?
That's a Camaro.
Charger?
It's a Camaro. Look at the Chevy
Camaro.
bow tie.
Oh.
It's a nice looking Camaro. They made Camaros nice again, remember? A couple of years ago.
Okay. Pretty good. No.
And hopefully by, they're thinking next year or the year after, they're bringing the Dodge Charger back as a two-door again. Looks like it's 69.
Should we go right here? Or keep going?
I guess. We're close to a shopping cart thing anyway.
Okay.
Works for me. We made it alive, folks. Now we're going to go in and shop.
Yes.
And I might run a little video on the way back just so I can try to piece something together. Just highlights or something for you. So, yeah, for now, go take a break, man. We're going shopping.